Well, hello YouTube. Tonight, gonna make the second video of the series. Um, Basically, this CT90 frame has been sanded down to 400 grit, all the way down to bare metal in a few places. Other places did not get the same treatment because of the contours and all that, but ended up shooting some Rust-oleum primer on it to at least get some coverage on it so the metal didn't rust. So I figure out the color scheme and all that good stuff. I'm gonna be adding some features to this bike. Since I'm not going to be using the stock tank, I've come up with a method of attaching a inexpensive pit bike tank onto this frame, which you guys will see in some upcoming videos and stuff. But for right now, we're just taking a look at the paint so far. Did a pretty decent job of covering this thing, and you'll notice it's not really painted up here. I still got a piece that I'm going to be welding to the frame, and didn't see any sense in painting it if I'm only going to knock it off anyways. But this is video 2. Sorry there wasn't a lot of action or anything like that. When I tried to video the last one, I thought I pushed the record button and did not, and basically did a whole bunch of work off camera, and this is the end result. So my apologies for the mishap there, but hopefully we will be able to get some more hands-on footage in the next videos to come. Thank you so much for watching.